Assalamu alaikum. Guys, we will make a mask today for skin. It will fair your skin, remove wrinkles, dark spots, pigmentation, dark circles, acne scars, and any other problem quickly and easily and naturally. All ingredients are in your home. Guys, take 1 teaspoon of yogurt, half lemon, squeeze it, cucumber juice, aloe vera, mix it well. One teaspoon rice flour, potato juice, mix it well. Rose water, a pinch of turmeric, guys. I think that consistency of the mask is thin, so that's why I add a little bit of oats in it. Angels, the mask is ready. You can use this mask for 20 to 25 minutes on your skin. It will provide glow your skin and give you very quick results naturally. This is the end of the video. Guys, subscribe my channel if not already and hit the notification bell to get my all new videos notification. Guys, help the poor. Pray 5 times in a day. Take care yourself and your family. Bye.